वी आर बैक टू आवर चैनल। आई होप आपको पिछली वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें। तो आज हम करने वाले हैं कोई एक चैलेंज। तो आप सोचिए कौन सी चैलेंज हम करने वाले हैं। सोचिए नहीं मालूम? अगर मालूम है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिए और मैं बताता हूँ कौन सी चैलेंज है। ट्रूथ एंड डेयर चैलेंज। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद आवर चैलेंज।
अगर आपने इस चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी जाइए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए
और पूरी वीडियो देखिएगा, बहुत मजा आने वाला है। I will pick. This is true. Chits. If you could be invisible, what is the first thing you will do? I will play with car.
Oh, it's my turn. It's dare. Make a sad face.
That's my turn. Who slapped you last time? Guys, she only in morning only.
It's truth. When was the last time you lied? I don't think so. I have lied. In noon, he told me to make a YouTube video. I promised him, but that time I didn't make it.
Smile. Truth. Who you don't want miss in your future? My family, my friends, and my parents.
It's truth. Who is your secret keeper? Friends, brother, sister. Not him.
Guys, she is so bad girl. Truth. Who is best friend? Can I tell three? My best friend is Arav, Pramesh, Krishaj, and I. We are best friend of our life.
It's truth. When was the last time you cried? After eating the spicy thing.
Yeah, this is logical.
Because I don't like spicy.
Guys, I like but little bit, not much. Dare. Speak few lines about your partner in good. Guys, why it's come?
Tell me.
She is good. She today she is wear this dress. She is looking so pretty.
Thank you.
So in study she is so good. Then
It's not few lines. Speak it more.
no, I will speak only one.
It's there. Drink a water, 1 cup to fill your mouth and say my name is Googly.
Where is the water? Oh, just drink the water. My name is Googly. Full. Done. दो पीना नहीं है. हाँ. बोलो. Say. Guys, she's so funny. Says no, you are drinking. So fail.
Now I have tell.
But then
Told
little.
also.
Okay. Guys, she is failed. Not failed. Please write in comment box. She is failed or
Pass.
Truth. With whom you
Wanna travel for night ride? किसके साथ आप ट्रैवल करना चाहते हैं नाइट राइड पे?
मालूम है. With my brothers.
Okay. Don't see. I will tell.
You are doing cheating.
No.
Here,
It's
guys.
truth. Who you want to slap in future?
Say fast. Say.
It's him only.
See, I slapped you. Guys.
Pick it up.
Who you
Truth. Who you trust more in your family?
Trust more in your family. parents, grandparents, and brothers.
And sister?
Not sister.
Uh-huh.
You are waiting to survival also.
It's there. Slap yourself about 10 times in the both cheek.
Yes, slap yourself. Yes, तुम्हारे साथ यही होना ही चाहिए था. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fast. बहुत जोर से.
It's done.
It's my turn. Truth. Name your DF or GF.
Yes. Tell your GF.
Anusha.
Truth. What the worst thing you have ever done? Nothing. Nothing worst thing I have done.
It's my turn, guys.
Truth.
Who was the person you used to beat every day? Guys, इसी को क्योंकि मुझे बहुत परेशान करती है. गाइस देखिए अभी मेरा टर्न आया इसको मारने का. फ्यूचर में तुम मारा फिर ये मुझे मार दी तो मैं मारा ना इसको एक बार. और गाइस ये कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख के बताइए ये सही है कि गलत है.
There, slap your partner. Now it's my turn.
लो जोर से नहीं, धीरे से.
Now it's your turn. What was the experience?
There, eat normal bread with no ingredients.
He has to eat normal bread with no ingredients.
Guys,
Eat fully.
no half. I will eat half. Eat that. See guys, I am eating half.
What is the taste?
Oh god.
Eat it fast. Eat chili. One. Now the challenge is over now. Hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी तो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, सब्सक्राइब करें.